today we're gonna make this picture, but I'm not gonna make these leaves. I'm just gonna try to make the flowers, the grass, and the dirt. You're gonna be needing all these colors: pink, red, orange, yellow, green, light green, blue, purple, black, and brown for this picture. So first, I'm going to be making the flowers. Take one of your greens, start making just squiggly lines. They can be longer, shorter, or any size. Now, you take a color of what your flower will be. Oh. And you're going to be making dots. So I'm going to be making this flower a little long. Well, look, you can make your flowers any color you want. So you just keep making dots. And sometimes you can just go like this. I'm going to keep doing this till I get all the way up here. And sometimes if it looks a little square, I sometimes make it a little like that, a little long like that, so it actually doesn't look too round. I just make dots. Keep making more dots and more.
Pause it.
So when I got to about here, I started making it just a tiny bit taper. And down here, you should start a little taper too. So now I'm gonna take my next color. I'm gonna be doing red. I'm gonna make this one a little like to here. It's gonna be short this time, huh? Yeah. This is dark red. I never made any red flowers yet.
So you're tapering that?
Yeah, I'm a little tapering it.
Making it real small at the bottom?
Yeah, not too small at the bottom, but then I just started making it a little bit bigger. Then I keep working.
Gonna keep going while we take a break here?
So I'm gonna see you when I'm up here, okay? Bye. So now I made the tip a little tapered too, and the bottom. So now I'm gonna take my last color that I want to make. I'm gonna make it orange. I'm gonna make it like medium, sorta, like here. Maybe a little longer, so they're not all the same, because they're never the same. So I'll see you when I get to the top. So bye. So now I wanted to show you how I make it a little tapered. So I'm gonna be starting here, making it a little tapered, then stop about there. I'm going to do that to the other side. Sometimes if you make it an accident, like a little too much like that, I start from the outside and do it again, like that. Now I start filling it in, like that. So I do that on the other side. Then I just keep making it straight up. Make sure they're not too close. Sometimes they can be a little out like that, so they're not the same a little. Now, you fill it in. You see? Now I'm done with my flowers. And now I'm going to be making the grass. And I'm going to take my dark green. You see here? Yeah. Which I used for the plant's veins. And I'm going to make grass like this. Just squiggly lines. Now I'll see you when I'm done doing this side. Bye. Now I'm done with this side. I'm going to be taking my green again. Just doing this a little. It can be as long as you want. It could be up here. It can be down here. It's okay if you cover the plants a little like that I did. In the picture here, I accidentally made it a little covered. And you can also go like this, stop about there, and go across like that. There. Now, you take your light green here, and you keep going traced. You see how light that is? Yeah. I keep doing this again. So I'll see you when I'm done doing this on each side. Bye. So sometimes it will help if you take your orange and you accidentally messed up there, which I did, and you go over there. Sometimes it will dry like if you don't see it. Well, I don't know if it will. I messed up on the pink there too. You see there? Yeah. I'm going to be going over that line. See? If it dries, it might fix it up a little, you know? And you see here, it looks better. I'm going to take my brown and make the dirt now. And do you know why I'm going a little behind this? It's because so it looks like it's like going the hills up. You see? Yeah, it's up a little. So I do this, and it sometimes will look better if you maybe make a line, lines in here, spaces. Yeah. Sometimes I just start over here, and when I'm done with this whole bottom in here, I'll show you how to do this. So, bye. So you see here how I did that? It's because I don't have any grass there. Now I'm going to show you how to get it in the grass. Like places that there's no grass. You saw there was no grass here, right? And so I did that, and I didn't cover this actually. Yeah, I did that. So now I'm going to show you how to do this. You see that? I just fill in the spaces. All the way to here. So you see how high that is? So I have to fill all of these spaces in, and I have to try to make it as high as that. I have to try to. And it's okay if you mess up a little. I mean, that's okay if you mess up a little. It's okay if you cover some of the grass. So, you keep filling these in, and I'll see you when I'm done. Bye. So, now I'm done, and oh, I forgot to add something. Some yellow grass. Well, now we're going to have to fill that in, but we don't have to. We can make it next to it so it looks like it's a little dead. Which I'm not really going to do that too much. I'm going to do a little bit here and there. Here. Yeah, not too much. So, here it is, and I'm going to make maybe one leaf or two. So, here we go. Now, this is a little hard. Now I take this, go into the middle, like that. There we go. So, this is it. I finished the flowers and stuff. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And thank you for watching. Bye.